Let me walk you through some of the latest and greatest Liqui Moly car care products you can find on Amazon today. Liqui Moly is the best. If you are into having your vehicle look as good as you do, this is your go-to product. This is Liqui Moly's solution for longer lasting protection. The ceramic sealant forms a hydrophobic layer which causes water to form beads when it touches the car's surface, and it pushes off dirt just like magic. This leaves the surface with a mirror-like shine that can still sparkle after several months. For the busy car owners, here's a solution. This spray wax can do wonders in minutes. It will deepen the existing coat or give an as-needed touch-up until the next proper car detail. Forget harsh chemicals. This interior cleaner is gentle but effective. It tackles spills, stains, and grime on your dashboard, seats, and even delicate screens. Do not overlook your tires. This tire shine provides a wet, well-glossy black look to eyes, which makes the wheels stand out like new ones after washing the car. Okay, enough about that. Let me tell you what we did for it. It is not just about lubrication. This Molygen oil is all about reducing friction. So, less wear and tear, better fuel consumption, and maybe a tad of extra power. This oil is ideal for small car users. It is suited for new generation engines and offers protection against wear and tear, deposition, and sludge buildup among other things, and complies with the specifications of most car makers. Here's a pro tip. Be sure to look at the available Amazon specials for Liqui Moly products. Many times you can save a bundle if you purchase items in multiples. Don't forget to glance over those reviews. They are helpful in learning about how others have used these products. And that sums up the most popular Liqui Moly gadgets at the Amazon store in 2024. Give them a try. You will understand the reason behind car enthusiasts' love for this brand. Remember, a neat car is a joyous car. Click the links in the description to check out these Liqui Moly products on Amazon. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.